What's up, guys? It is another beautiful day in Siem Reap. Clear skies. It's looking like no rain today, so we should be pretty good. Coming up in this video, you are going to see a tour of the inside of the Asia supermarket, the one across from Heritage Walk Mall. We're going to go in there, show you what they have to offer. We're going to show you the prices and all that good stuff. So if you're coming over here and you're looking for a place to get more Western style food, or perhaps you just don't like shopping at the local markets as much as I do, then that is another place you might want to consider. But first, I want to give shout outs to a few people. As you know, there's some good folks from Michigan, HolyRedeemerBurton.org Parishioners Coalition, who are offering to match any donations I get this month up to $170. That means for every donation you send in, $5, $10, $20, whatever it is, on up to $170, that is going to be doubled. So we can do a lot more with it. And I want to thank Tim's Tutoring and Sonia G. Since my last video went up, together they generously donated $120. So we are almost to our goal of $170 for the matching bonus. That is amazing. That is awesome. And I know we can get there. And I just wanted to give a shout out to them. I also want to give a shout out to my friend Helen. She doesn't get enough credit because she's very humble. She doesn't want to be recognized or known, I guess you can say. But still, every so often I want to mention that, as I always say, we are all in this together. We're all moving parts of the same machine as it was. And without her, just like without you, none of this could happen. She's my PayPal liaison, I should say. I send her money through PayPal. She uses her bank account to withdraw, taking away the fees, of course. And then she lets me go over and pick up the cash, so we can go out and do the things that we do. And this is a very important function. Without her, it would cost a lot more money. We'd have to use a service that would charge a lot more. And she's always willing to help. Unless she was out of town, she's never said, no, I can't do it today, or I don't feel like it. So, and I know it's an inconvenience for her sometimes. But whenever we need to go out and get money to do it, I give her a message in the morning, and by that evening she lets us come by and pick it up after I send it. So big shout out to Helen as well. And within a day or two, if you are a supporter, you will be receiving an exclusive video of our last trip feeding people. So be checking your inbox for that. We're going to add some things to the previous ones we recorded to reflect what we're doing later, but I'll put it all together and get it out to you guys really soon. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video of the supermarket, Asia supermarket, with prices. What's up, guys? Excuse me. As I promised in the last video, one of my supporters wanted to see the inside of the Asia supermarket. Here we are. So we'll see if we can go in and see what we can find. Don't know if there's cameras allowed, so it might not work out, I don't know. Sometimes they say no cameras and they don't really care, but we'll figure it out. Oh look, a little place here for hand soap when you walk in. always nice. You want to squirt me up there? Just one, just a little bit. Okay. She always goes overboard on that like it's water. Oh, we got a little area, a little restaurant in here. That's pretty nice. Hello. And this is the main supermarket. Very nice, very clean. Let's see what they got here. Ooh. Why is my camera not moving? Oh, there it goes. Looks like these are on sale for only 81 cents. Looks like these are all sale items. Not sure what they did. This says concentrated chicken. See what this is. Oh, chicken seasoning. Chicken seasoning. That's what it is. All right. Of course, you got the beer section. Got Cambodia, Angkor, ABC beer. Various kinds of sauces. See if I can get some prices here for you. $1.90, 45 cents, $4.35. Ooh, chili paste, $3.85. We got some peanut butter down there, it looks like. I do like peanut butter. Can't really see a price. Not enough room for me to squat down in there, unfortunately. $5.63.
Yeah.
Yeah. For a big bag of yeah. She gets excited about that. Yeah, she can make that last, 5-6 months, she's saying. Yeah. Olive oil, you don't find that very often, but $8.76, $9.68, $7.55. So it is, the extra virgin is even more expensive. The prices are cheaper, but the bottles are not as big. $5.68, $6.55. And other kinds of cooking oils and things over here. There you go, we got some fresh fruits. $1.30. All those are $1.30. $1.88. Well, what is it? Niala. Kroot. Pineapple. Name? Manoa?
Yeah.
Manoa. Okay. $0.46 for some peppers, and these little mean ones here, 55 cents. Those ones are mean, man. They're really mean. I ate one once. I just popped it in my mouth, and that was a huge mistake. Huge mistake. So what we got here? We got some kind of milk. It's on sale for $1, half off. Regular milk. $4.20. Some more, whatever these are, 41 cents, 54 cents.
Yeah.
Eggplants. Cacao.
Yeah.
Carrot. Yep. Green peppers.
Yeah.
You want?
Name.
Good?
Yeah.
Well, you can buy if you want.
Nhảy.
Yeah. But we can get all this stuff at the market though, cheaper. A little cheaper. Over here they got various juices. Monster energy drink, $2.30. 70 cents for these fruit drinks. They're really, really good. At the local mom and pop stores, you can get them for 50 cents. Red Bulls, same thing. These energy drinks here are on sale, 50% off. Only 43 cents. And here we go with beer prices. As you can see, 75 cents for a can, and at the mom and pop stores, you can get them for 50 cents a can. So, nice, well-kept supermarkets like this are going to be a bit more expensive. You know, even this 53 cents for a can of Samurai, it's still 3 cents more than at the store. 75 cents for a Sprite. But they have a lot of stuff here. Ooh, there you go. There's some cheddar cheese. $28 for that big block. Big block of cheddar cheese. Or you can get a smaller one for only $1.36. That's like only a couple slices though. But things like cheese and milk are expensive here. Anyway. And usually the only place you can find them, the regular kind, are in supermarkets like this. Bacon, 87 cents. Not bad for that, I guess. $1.47 for that one. Huh, that's not bad for bacon. You don't see a lot of bacon here. They got pre-packaged frozen goods. Over here, frozen vegetables, French fries, $6.10. These ones, it looks like, are only $3.30 for the thin French fries. All of this is empty over here. I'm not sure why. But yeah, and they have everything else. They have beauty products, things for your household, air freshener, and we need some of that, man. Our bathroom has a funky smell coming out of it, and not just because I'm in there doing my business. It just has no ventilation. There's no windows in there, so you can't air anything out. There's some induction cookers, rice cookers and blenders, other appliances, big frying pans, $13. Sanglai needs one of those. $24 for the big block here. 16, 13. Varying prices for the pots and pans. Towels over here. $2, $5, $2, depending on what you want. Oh, she saw something for the apartment. Oh, yeah, we got to paint the inside of our apartment. I'm going to do a tour, but our new apartment is not aesthetically pleasing. The walls are kind of dirty. They have writing on there from when kids lived there. And it's an off-white, a lot of chips in it. So it doesn't look good. I mean, it's a fine apartment. But we are going to paint it. We just have to come up with the money for the paint. No beer, that's wine. Wine glasses, yeah. So you can get all your plates and bowls and everything right here. And over here they have wine. Wine is nice. $15, $25, $25, so $17, $7 for Madame Butterfly. More selections over here. There you go, $90. You can get yourself, holy crap, that thing is huge. Whoa, Scotch whiskey. The thing's so big I can't get it all in one shot. Whoa. Wow. That thing is huge. It's 4.5 liters, guys. 4.5 liters, that's a thing. That's a lot of whiskey. That's a lot. All right, so there we go. Other stuff down there, of course. Everything's very well laid out. It's very nice, very, very clean. They have even have some little toys here if you have kids. So yeah, anything you want. If you don't want to go to the local market, you're looking for Western style foods and things, and in a layout that's familiar with you. It's the Asia market. Right over here, over by the Heritage Walk Mall. And those are some of the prices. Anything else you're looking for you can find here. Here's a snack aisle. Look, you get buy one, get one free stuff there for 95 cents. I'm not sure what that is. Strawberry chocolates, double cream. Well, some kind of sweet snack, I'm assuming. But here's some brands of chips. $1.75, as you can see, for the Chispas. Just a rip-off of, you know, they all look kind of like the Pringles, even though they're not. But Pringles are a little bit more expensive, like $2.25, $2.50, like that. And then you have, oh yeah, all your ramen over here. I love Asian supermarkets because they always have a wide variety of ramen, and not the boring kind like I used to get back home for, you know, 5 cents a bag. They have some very nice flavors, and most of them, if they say, hey, this is spicy, they actually mean it. That is spicy. $1.55 for these great big ones here. Wow, that's a good size bowl. Not sure if it's spicy because I can't read it. So yeah, there's a little tour of the Asia supermarket over by the Heritage Walk Mall. If you look out that window right there, that is the Heritage Walk Mall. It's right across the street. So if you ever get a chance to get down here, I recommend it. And like I said, they have a restaurant inside. So if you're hungry, you want something to eat, you can come here and get that as well. And also, if you run out of money, they have a couple ATMs right here. ABA, very popular bank. You can stop and get some cash, and you're good to go. And there is the mall right there. Right there. All right. Let me get a view of. Oh, my camera is not doing well. There it is. That's the one you want, the Asia supermarket. All right, I will talk to you guys later. And be sure to check out all my links down below. If you want to donate through PayPal, you want to join my Patreon, or buymeacoffee.com/DDC. Those links are down there. My social media is down there in the description, and all the channels that are vlogging from Cambodia that are really, really good, all those are also listed down below, and you should go check them out. Great content, I'm telling you. All right, enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.